Horizontal and vertical lines are worth some special mention. Horizontal lines, though, are not a special case. Everything we know about the graphs, tables, and equations of any other line is true of a horizontal line. Let's go ahead and look at the graph first, and in particular, the slope. We can find the slope of this line by plotting any 2 points and finding the rise and the run between them. Doesn't matter which 2 points I pick, but I'm going to just go ahead and pick these two. Between these 2 points, what is the rise? What is the change in y? The change in y is just 0. The rise, in fact, of any horizontal line is 0. Since the line is flat, y is not increasing or decreasing when x goes up by 1. So the rise of every horizontal line is 0. The run of 3 then doesn't matter. 0 divided by any run, in this case 3, is just 0. The slope of a horizontal line is 0. We can also see this from the table. X is going up by 1, and what's happening to y? What happens from 4 to 4? Well, nothing. The slope, or the rate of change from the table, is just 0. Let's go ahead and look at the equation of a horizontal line. We can use our normal y equals mx plus b form, where m is 0. Y equals 0 times x plus b becomes y equals b, since 0 times x is just 0. That means my equation will just be y equals the start value, where the start value can be found from the graph using that y-intercept. So my y-intercept is 0, 4. The 4 gives me my start value. I can also look in my table. The value of y when x is 0 is 4. So my equation of this horizontal line is just y equals 4. Now it's really helpful for me to look at both the graph and the table and see that, yeah, y equals 4 is the equation describing these two. In the table, the y value is always 4. On the graph, the y coordinate, no matter what x is 4. 4, 4, 4, 4. Y is always 4. Y is always 4. My equation is y equals 4. In fact, for every horizontal line, since every horizontal line has a slope of 0, the equation will just be of the form y equals a particular constant, where the constant is that start value, and in fact, the y value of every point on the line.